Hello everybody, Heath Ward here, and this is Frontier Survival. I want to thank everybody who has liked my new Facebook page. That's first and foremost what I want to talk about. I started a Facebook page a couple weeks ago and I've already got all kinds of likes. I'm so thankful and blessed that that's happened. I'm also thankful and blessed that, you know, the YouTube channel is thriving and surviving. I got a lot of just short videos on there so far. I've had a lot of flack about not getting a long video out there, maybe showing someone how to do something. So today what I'm going to do is show you how to start a fire with a ferro rod, a ferro rod. And what I got here is one off of a survival buckle, survival bracelet. See, and it also has a whistle. But right there's the ferro rod, right there's the scraper. I already have processed some natural materials to try to get a little fire going. I also have me a little dryer lint. Dryer lint is a good starter tinder for a fire. It can bust easy by the spark of the ferro rod, and that's exactly what you'd want. Some good old dry tinder. Let's go ahead and see what we can do. Now I'm going to be a little far back for this. Hopefully you'll see that we'll get something going. My ferro rod scraper, my ferro rod. I'll bend down here just a second. Right here's where I got my little dryer lint in. I'll pull us out a little bit of that. Got me a little place scraped out here. Pocket that, grab your rod, grab your scraper. Now, a lot of people think you take your scraper and scrape on the rod, which you do to get it started. But the best thing to do is take your rod on the scraper and pull the rod back. Pull the rod back. You see that spark? Oh, here we go. All right, 2.5 strikes, and we already got flame. As you see, that lint pops up in a hurry. Throw this thistle on here. Do you see that fire, ladies and gentlemen? Do you see that smoke? With more lint and more processed wood, we can get a fire going pretty easy. And of course, as you grab your tinder and your kindling and get your fire going, then that's when you start grabbing bigger wood to get your fire a little bit going so you can cook or boil water or whatever it needs to be. Always remember though, when you're camping, whether you're primitive camping or at a campground where you can have a fire, always get that fire out before you leave. Make sure there's no fire, no embers, no hot coals before you leave. Get that fire out. Can you see that fire, guys? And that's all from a little buckle off a survival bracelet. One little ferro rod like that can do all that. Once again, I'm thankful that you're subscribing to my channel. You know, here at Frontier Survival, we're talking about different things, whether it be wilderness survival, urban survival, homesteading, being self-reliant, having a prepared mind is what we always want to thrive to do. You got to thrive to survive right here on Frontier Survival. Thank you very much. Let's take a closer look at that fire. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thrive to survive.